So I'm still trying to scrub away 20 years of use and abuse off of the 2003 RM125, and I gotta say, first clapped out as this bike was, some of these parts are really starting to turn out pretty good. Yeah, even though I've been working on bikes for years, I've never cleaned up a bike to this degree before, so I'm learning a lot of new things, like the best way to refurbish parts here. So yes, I've been using the wire wheel, the bench grinder quite extensively with the wire wheel and the Scotch brake pads. Yeah, the little mini Scotch brake pads with the rotary tool, and yeah, so it's they've been coming up pretty good. Now there's some parts that don't need to have a mirror finish or a polished finish or even a brushed finish. Just a dull matte finish would be sufficient for some of these parts, like these brake parts here. So I thought that in order to save myself some time and effort, I would just take some of these parts into work, run them through the sandblaster, and that'd be that. Then I remembered I have a portable media blaster. It's probably not actually what it's called, but it's just a gun with a small media hopper on it. I'll try cleaning up the front caliper bracket. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. I used the little Scotch brake pads with the rotary tool, and I impressed myself, and that's not easily done. Just amazing. So this is the rear caliper bracket there. So it looked very much like that. But then I washed it, and like I said, media blasted it and hit it with the Scotch brake, and ended up looking like this. Like I'm at a loss for words. Like I said, I've never I've cleaned parts, put them back on, but like this is total refurbishment here. This looks like a brand new part here, for Pete's sake. It's incredible. So yeah, so this guy's ready to go. Yeah, I did run some more parts through the parts washer. One of which was the silencer. Actually, I have the core tube of the silencer soaking right now, because that stuff just don't want to come off. But I got this fairly clean, but it's pretty rough shape here. I mean, just the finish is toast, but the part itself is still good, still usable. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to clean this up here before I head off to bed. Just wanted to get a decent before shot here before I went at it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to take the sandblaster to that core tube for the silencer, because yeah, I don't think that's gonna come clean. That stuff just not coming off.
Okay, here's a little tip for anybody that might happen to be working on a two-stroke bike for the first time, like I am here. Um, anybody who's ever had a two-stroke bike is likely pretty well versed in how to clean the spooge out of the exhaust. There's not a lot of liquids, like cleaners, solvents, that sort of thing that'll really break that stuff down. Uh, I find that the easiest way to clean that stuff out is to just burn it off. I mean, you can use a propane tank. I used a MAP gas cylinder, and just I heated that thing up till it was just like glowing red. You want all those little holes in that pipe to be as clear as possible. So yeah, just keep torching the thing until all that stuff gets burned off.
The hubs for sure. I'll sandblast them as well. It's just too hard to clean the wheel hubs with anything other than a sandblaster, because there's just the shape of them, the size and the shape of them. It's just so much easier to sandblast them. And like I said, they don't really need to have an amazing finish anyways. They're going to wind up getting anodized. So yeah, so I'll run them into work. Use the bearing puller to get the wheel bearings out. Run it through the sandblasting cabinet, and they should be good to go for getting anodized. Anyways, just thought I'd show that. That's wow. Yeah. Anyways, it's getting late. I gotta wrap this up and go to bed.